In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Loom on Android. First, you'll want to open the Google Play Store on your Android device. Look for the familiar, colorful icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. Once you tap on it, the Play Store will load a vast array of apps for you to explore. This step is crucial because Loom is not pre-installed on your device and you need to download it first. Ensure you have a stable internet connection for a smooth download process. If you haven't used the Play Store before, it might take a moment to load, but that's perfectly normal. Next, search for Loom and tap Install. In the Play Store, there is a search bar at the top. Type in Loom, and you should see the app appear in the search results. Tap the green Install button next to the Loom app. This action is important because it sets the foundation for all the recording you will be doing. The installation process might take a little time depending on your internet speed. Once the installation is complete, you will see a notification, and you can proceed to the next step. Now, open the app and sign in using your Google account, Slack account, or email credentials. As the app launches, you will be greeted with a clean and user-friendly interface. You should see options to sign in or create a new account. Signing in is vital for saving your recordings and accessing them later. If you choose to use your Google account, it will streamline the process. Just tap the appropriate option and fill in your credentials. When you launch the app for the first time, Android will prompt you to allow necessary hardware access. Tap Allow for camera, microphone, and display over other apps. Allowing these permissions is crucial because Loom needs access to your camera to record video, your microphone for audio, and the ability to overlay itself on other apps for seamless recording. Without these permissions, you won't be able to utilize Loom effectively. After that, allow camera access to record your face. This step will enable Loom to capture your video feed, making your recordings more personal and engaging. You will see an on-screen prompt requesting permission. Just tap Allow, and you'll be one step closer to creating engaging content. This is especially important for tutorials or presentations where visual engagement matters greatly. Next, you will also need to allow microphone access to capture your voice audio. Once you tap Allow, Loom will be able to pick up your voice clearly while you record. This is essential for ensuring that your audience can hear you clearly. Quality audio contributes significantly to the professionalism of your recordings. Now, allow display over other apps. This critical permission allows Loom to overlay the recording controls and your camera bubble on top of other mobile apps while you record your screen. You will receive a prompt asking for your consent. Accepting this permission is vital as it enables you to record various apps without interruptions. Open the Loom app and tap the blue Record button, which looks like a camera icon at the bottom. This is the starting point for your recording. Tapping this button will initiate the recording process, allowing you to capture your screen or camera feed. Make sure you're ready, as this is the moment you will begin creating your content. In the next step, choose if you'd like to record only your camera, your screen only, or both at the same time. This selection is important because it allows you to customize your recording based on your needs. If you're doing a presentation, screen recording might be best. But if you want to add a personal touch, consider recording both. Take a moment to decide what suits your project best. Next, tap Start Recording. This is the moment you have been prepping for, and tapping this button will officially start your recording session. You should feel a sense of excitement as you begin capturing your content. This action signifies that your video is now being recorded, so ensure everything is set up perfectly before proceeding. A system prompt will appear warning you that Loom will capture everything displayed on your screen. Tap Start Now. This warning is there to remind you that all your activities will be recorded. It's crucial to be mindful of what you have on your screen at this point. Once you tap Start Now, you are officially in recording mode. Wait for the 3-second countdown to finish. This countdown gives you a brief moment to prepare yourself before the recording begins. It builds anticipation and ensures that you are ready to present your content smoothly. Take a deep breath and gather your thoughts during this time. Once recording starts, you can swipe away the Loom app and open any other app on your phone. This feature is particularly useful if you want to show a website, slide deck, or product demo. It allows for flexibility in your presentation and makes your recording more dynamic. You can freely navigate through your apps while Loom captures everything in real time. Now move the camera bubble. Drag your face bubble anywhere on the screen so it doesn't block critical text. The camera bubble is adjustable and can be positioned wherever it suits you best. This step is important because you want to ensure that your viewers can see all relevant information without obstruction. Next, tap the small Loom icon overlay on the edge of your screen to expand your quick controls. This control menu provides you with options to manage your recording effectively. You will see various controls that allow you to pause, stop, or adjust settings during your recording. Familiarizing yourself with this menu is key to a smooth recording process. Use the control menu to pause the recording temporarily or tap the red stop button to finish. Pausing is helpful if you need to gather your thoughts or take a break without losing your progress. Tapping stop will conclude your recording session. This step is significant as it marks the end of your recording, ensuring all your hard work is captured. As soon as you tap stop, Loom instantly uploads the video file to your cloud library. This feature saves you time and ensures that your video is securely stored. You don't have to worry about losing your recording, as it will be ready for you to edit or share right away. The app will immediately open your video's preview page. This allows you to review your recording and make any necessary adjustments. You can watch your video to ensure everything is as you intended. This is a great opportunity to catch any mistakes or areas for improvement before sharing. Next, tap Edit to trim out the beginning or end of your mobile recording. Editing is an essential step in the video creation process. It allows you to refine your content and make it more polished. By trimming unnecessary parts, you can enhance the overall quality of your video, making it more engaging for your audience. Finally, tap Share to instantly copy the link to your clipboard or send it directly via apps like Slack, WhatsApp, or Gmail. This step is the culmination of your efforts, allowing you to distribute your created content to others. Sharing your video efficiently ensures that your audience can access your work easily. With just a tap, you can reach your viewers, making this a vital step in the process.